Hello, how's it going? So I just thought I'd do a quick little update video to let you know how it's all going. At the moment I haven't really filmed too much of me actually carving because I don't really want to bore you because quite a lot of it just looks the same. So my plan is I'm just going to be filming most of the things that I need to overcome. So I'll show you how it looks so far. So far we've got the neck, the top of the spine and half of the rib cage, and basically the spine that I've done so far is how big the rib cage is going to be. So that's my next step that I've got to do, and then I'll probably then end up doing the last bit of the spine and the tail, and then I can move on to the legs, and then the two hardest parts of carving, which are going to be the skull and also his big giant horns. At the moment it's being held together with toothpicks, so I need to find a solution to that. I need to find a solution of how I'm going to do the skull, because obviously the skull is much larger than the material that I use. The material that I use is only this thick, and obviously the skull is going to be around about just over double the size, so I need to find a solution for that. And that's also the same with the horns as well. The gluing it all together, if anyone has a suggestion, please let me know. If you know what I can do, because I'm really racking my brains on what the best way of doing it will be. So if anyone has an idea on what I could do, that'd be helpful. So yeah, so that's how it looks. I'm pretty damn pleased with how it's looking at the moment. There it is from the front, and then from the other side. But yeah, if you're following me on Instagram or Twitter, you'll see some update pictures. I am updating on both of those, just so that you still follow me on the journey a bit there. And I'm also going to be doing it now. I will be attempting to do Inktober this year. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing it every single day, just depending on how much time this skeleton takes up, but I'll try and do it every day, but obviously I can't make those sort of promises. So if you want to check out any of that stuff, make sure to follow my Instagram or Twitter, because obviously that's where I post all my stuff. But yeah, until then, see you later.